How to cash out on Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can cash out on Cash App. So if you're wondering on how we can do that, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to cash out from your Cash application as well. So first thing first, head over and open up your Cash App application on your device and simply log in into your account. And once you're logged in, you will be seeing this interface on your screen. So you can look up for this option called bank. Here at the bottom, you can find this bank and dollar option. You're going to select the option called bank and then tap on cash out after that. Once you're done tapping on that, you can type in the cash you want to cash out, you want to withdraw. You can type in that. After that, tap on cash out right here and confirm the amount by confirming this pop-up on your screen. Once you've done that, you can go on with the verification process by entering up your PIN or your Face ID. After that, enter up your bank's short code. Complete the verification process by completing whatever they're asking you to do so. After that is done, the particular cash will be cashed out from your Cash application. So that is how you cash out on Cash App by following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.